in America, every house has a washing machine to do laundry. Very normal, very casual thing here. In Uganda, that's not the case. We usually have house helpers, which you can also refer to as maids, but I don't like that term. It's normal to have house helpers that will do your laundry for you. Don't trust the washing machines, especially ours. I prefer to hand wash my white clothes rather than putting them in the washing machine. I do for some of my clothes because washing machine sometimes does not get out all the stains, or I don't know what it is. The clothes get discolored even if I wash them separately. So I just never gotten down to it. I prefer the African way of doing things. So today I'm going to show you how I wash my clothes the African way. It's the laundry that I have to do today. Some of these are white, fully white. This dress is black. It has sparkles on it. That's why I did not put it in the laundry. But let's do all this laundry today. So when my sister was in Uganda, I specifically asked for white soap. This is the soap that we use in Uganda. It's a bar of soap. You never see anything like this in America, really. All-purpose soap. You can shower with this soap. You can wash your clothes. You can clean the house, wash the dishes. This is all-purpose soap that we use. It just smells like soap to me. This is the kind of soap that they have in America. It's detergent. It's liquid soap that is used for the laundry in the washing machines. A lot of these I have actually had a hard time with because I'm allergic to them. And so I use this detergent that's softer on skin. Okay, we are ready to start on our laundry. Let's go. I start by filling my bathtub with warm water. A bird pooped on this shirt today. So I would not expect the washer to get this off, so I have to do it by hand to make sure I get the best results. Stain is gone. Sweating, but I'm not even close to being done. The first round is done. I need to drain the water. sun outside. It looks like it is about to rain. I'm already doing a load in the dryer, and I'm just gonna pop these clothes in there so that everything can dry, and that is it. Guys, I'm done with laundry. I am actually sweating. I'm literally soaked. Real intense work. Americans don't have house helpers. They do most of the work themselves, and again, they have machines that work stuff for you. So household chores are very easy, except when you want to do it the African way. So you go the hard way. Thank you guys for watching. That's how I wash my white clothes the African way. The Ugandan way is preferred. That's how I like it. I really enjoyed showing you guys how I wash my white clothes. This method is how Ugandans, an average Ugandan, actually washes clothes at home. Again, a lot of Ugandan households do not have washing machines. They don't have dishwashers, while in America it's the opposite. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you really enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, anything you want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!